Divide the terrace garden and allot for different crops. To get continuous harvest, keep on sowing and planting throughout the year. In other words, take up staggered sowing or planting. Plants planted at a time will finish crop at once. Since we have limited space on the terrace, go for mixed or intercropping. See, this box was sown with amaranthus and cucumber seeds. By the time amaranthus is ready for plucking, cucumber starts flowering. Now amaranthus is harvested to facilitate cucumber to bear fruits. Likewise, plant the compatible crops as mixed crops. However, do not plant similar types or competing crops in a single container. Competition for nutrition and light will affect the growth of both the crops. Do not go for continuous cropping of any crop, especially if you maintain brinjal, tomato, okra round the year. They become permanent host for many pests and diseases. If you take up crop rotation, it breaks the pest life cycle and you will get different vegetables for the kitchen. For example, remove all tomato plants once they finish fruiting and put cabbage. You may plant tomato again after 2 to 3 months. Healthy plants escape pests and diseases. Sufficient sunlight, right size of the container, rich compost, optimum watering, sufficient distance between plants, pest and disease tolerant local crops and varieties, good management, etc. decide the health of plants of the terrace garden. Unseasoned cropping ends up with problems. For example, do not go for cabbage and cauliflower in hot summer. Fungal diseases are more in the rainy season. Insect attack will be severe in summer. Capsicum and methi are the difficult crops. Capsicum needs more nutrition and partial shade. Insect problem is also more. Methi seeds fail to germinate sometimes. It may not grow properly even if it germinates. So, it is better to avoid such difficult or sensitive crops.